Today we have some amazing stuff for you. It's bracket 1 of the Broll Smackdown profiles. All these content creators are just awesome, so let's get to it.
I'm Teg from Northumberland County Vlogs and Gaming, and today we're going to be doing part 1 of our homemade amusement park. Here we go! Work harder, not smarter!
Northumberland County Vlogs and Gaming. Ted is a really cool kid, going through school, doing his thing, showing you all about the stuff that he does in his life. He has some really neat videos on here where he takes you on adventures that he does with the people from school. He also does a thing where he designed rides in his backyard for his own amusement. And they're really creative and fun. He really is just learning this film game, and it's so awesome to watch him explore what he can do as a filmmaker. I really enjoy his content, and I think you will too, so do yourself a big favor and check out Northumberland County Vlogs and Gaming. It's a really fun channel. I enjoy it, and I think you will too. The link's in the description.
I'm Teg from Northumberland County Vlogs and Gaming. We'll see you next time.
Hello, and welcome to Allowing Bawiii.
Allowing Bawiii is a fantastic channel all about inspiration and different points and ideas. Really relaxing stuff here. He takes you on hikes and outdoor adventures and all kinds of stuff. And in the process, you're going to see him talk in front of the camera about all sorts of different topics, all of them meant to inform and inspire you. It's really fantastic stuff. They're pretty short videos, so they're really easy to digest, and I really think you're going to enjoy this one. Some beautiful imagery as well. Take a moment, check out Allowing Bawiii. The link is in the description.
What's up? Felt like doing a video today, so we're gonna go look at some creeks and take a drive to see what's flooded and what's not. It might be fun. Check it out.
McGee Films is an over-the-road truck driver who takes us on all sorts of adventures, occasionally with his family. We get to visit all kinds of beautiful and gorgeous places with him on his journey. It's pretty cool to see how an over-the-road truck driver lives and gets to see all kinds of amazing things. I highly recommend that you click the link in the description and check out McGee Films. It's really good stuff, guys.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to So How Was Uni for week 6 of semester 2, 2018 of my Masters of Physiotherapy degree.
Louise Martin, or LouTube as she likes to call it, my beautiful friend from Australia. Now she is in college, studying to get a master's degree and doing an amazing job. And we get to hear all about her college journey in her vlog, as well as fun unboxing and packaging and lots of funny insights about the college life. I think you'll really enjoy it. Take a moment. The link is in the description. Go on over and check it out.
Thank you so much ladies and gentlemen. I will see you again in another video.
Michael T Panetta. Now, I would be shocked if most of you weren't relatively familiar with this young man, but in case you don't know, he is a larger channel with lots of subscribers and also a lot of YouTube experience that he has to offer to you. He is doing a vlog that is just about daily these days, and he's also really highly knowledgeable in the tech field, as that has been what his channel has been about for a large percentage of its existence. He now just enjoys vlogging and being positive and teaching lessons and talking about things that happen in his daily life. And I highly recommend you check it out. He is a blast to hang out with, and his videos are always fun and entertaining. So do yourself a favor and check out Michael T Panetta's channel as soon as you have the opportunity. The link's in the description.
That about does it for me. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Of course, there's always that notification bell. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.
Awesome creators, guys. Make sure you take the time to check the link in the description. Go check out their content. These folks submitted these entries out of the kindness of their hearts so that we can vote on them. The least we can do is pop over to their channel and support them the best we can. So go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I will see you soon.